Nacho Dad here, doing a little work on the mini bike. Redbeard's garage meetup is tomorrow, September 8th, in Murfreesboro, and I'm going to do the torque converter swap on this. I've already got the wheels off. Put new tires on it. They're over here sitting outside. Got the clutch off. I'm about to try to put the torque converter on. So this video is just going to be me sticking off trying to get the torque converter on so we can take it out and really have fun tomorrow. Just want to finish up this video real quick. We didn't get a lot of filming done when we were working on it because it was literally like 7 o'clock at night the day before we went to the Redbeard garage meet. So we got this on. We did the torque converter on. We used some 1-inch square tube. I don't know if you can see it down there. Welded it on and bolted through it. So that's what the engine's bolted to lift it enough. And we cut the rear fender mount. You can kind of see it cut back here. I haven't fixed it yet, and we had to cut off the tensioner mount. So the tensioner video I did when I built it, it served its purpose, but I didn't need it for this. However, this chain was tight when we put it on, and there's probably 3 inches of slack in it now. So that's how much we stretched that 35 chain with just a Predator 6.5 with my quick and dirty exhaust and a torque converter. So 41 chain is definitely on the upgrade list. This thing is getting tore apart in the winter and upgraded heavily. We might put that GX390 on it, I don't know yet. But 41 chain, and we're probably going to stretch it about 6 inches, try to fit a little bit bigger tire on it. I'm thinking like the Coleman CT 200U, the 8-inch tires and wheels, they're a little bit bigger. I think I can do that. I'm going to stretch the frame a little bit, widen it a little bit, see if I can't put those on it. But torque converter works great, definitely got acceleration. We've wheelied it a few times on accident. The first time we actually took it out, I pulled right out of here and got right to the edge where this little lip is and hit the concrete and gassed it. And it sent me up, and the bike went taking off that way. And I was sitting here. So, alright, that's it for now.